Here we have multiplication is represented by these parentheses, and then we also have addition. So I'm going to do the multiplication first. This is called distributing. I'm multiplying and multiplying. 5 times 2x, so 5 times 2 is 10, but 5 times 2x is 10x. Right? And this is 5 times negative 4, that's negative 20. I'm going to do the same thing over here. This is 3 times x is positive 3x. Notice I have to have a sign in between each term. And 3 times 4 is positive 12. Okay, so you can't just write 12, you have to write positive 12. Now I'm going to combine like terms. The like terms, this is like terms with this because they both have an x. This is like terms with this because they both are constants, they don't have an x. So 10x plus 3x is 13x. And this is negative 20 plus 12. I have more negatives than positives. So I have leftover negatives, and if I were to line up 20 negatives and 12 positives, I would have 8 leftover negatives. Down here, it's the same structure, and notice I even kept the first part of the problem exactly the same. So we can see, right, this is still going to be 5 times 2, it's still going to be 10x. 5 times negative 4, it's still going to be negative 20. That hasn't changed. What's changed is right here. Now there's a subtraction sign. So this is a negative 1 right here. Okay, this is a negative 1. And you can distribute. The other way of looking at it is that you are simply subtracting everything inside here. The result is the same. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3x. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. I could have also looked at it as I'm subtracting this negative 3 and I'm subtracting this 4. Now you have to be careful because let's say this was a negative 4, it would be negative times negative, that would have been positive. But again, I'm combining like terms. 10 minus 3 is 7. And this is 20 negatives and 4 more negatives. So I have 24 total negatives. Okay, go ahead and try these on your notebook paper on page 40.